usually make a habit of promoting popular magazines, but I will make an exception this time for the November issue of Men's Health, because it has an article by Tim Caulfield on junk science. Tim is a great promoter of real science. He's a lawyer, and he's Canada Research Chair of Health Law and Policy at the University of Alberta. He has written over 300 scientific-minded articles, and his book, Gwyneth Paltrow, Can She Be Wrong About Everything?, is a classic of skepticism. The answer, obviously, is yes. Anyway, in this article, Tim serves up a tasty plateful of advice about how to navigate the treacherous path of pseudoscience and escape from falling down the rabbit holes along the way. He very cleverly skewers the prophets of pseudoscience. Joe Mercola, of course, is number one. Then there's Robert Kennedy. And there are a number of others. Of course, Trump has to be in there. Carlton Fredericks, Robert Kennedy Jr. Obviously are there. And he still has his issues with Gwyneth. Anyway, the article is very good. It is very cleverly written, and it gives advice on where you can find legitimate scientific information. It's very, very readable, and it's entertaining. I think if it were written today, Tim would certainly add something about Aaron Rodgers, the Green Bay quarterback who thinks that he was immunized by some sort of nonsensical homeopathic preparation. As I've told you many times before, homeopathy is perhaps the most absurd of all the alternative so-called medical methods. It is based on solutions that contain absolutely nothing, and you certainly cannot be immunized by any kind of homeopathic preparation. Rogers also made the suggestion that maybe the vaccines are somehow linked to infertility, for which there is absolutely zero evidence. And I think Tim would also have had some good fun with Ted Cruz and Ted Cruz's attack on Big Bird. Why? Because Big Bird dared to promote vaccination. Ted, I think, is opposed to that. So let me weigh in on this as well. I think it is Ted Cruz who's the bird brain, not Big Bird. Anyway, the article is great. It has all of the notorious promoters of pseudoscience, and you will certainly be entertained and educated as well. Go on and read the article by Tim Caulfield. And that is our Cup of Joe for today.